Yes, people, so far it's looking good. Brown stew chicken in a man. Smell good. What you mean?
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fi style. Girl a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
Yes, people, so today we're in the kitchen and wife here make some brown stew chicken. Brown stew chicken and what you make today?
So white rice.
White rice.
Some, what name? Spicy chili beans.
Spicy chili beans?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna have
Basically rice and beans.
up on the side
Yeah.
or mixed together?
No, on the side.
On the side? Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah.
That sounds good. So, what's this?
So this is our blended seasoning that I'm about to make.
Okay.
I have some thyme, some green onions or scallion, some ginger,
Wow.
some scotch bonnet,
Mm-hmm.
because you know Keegan like spice.
I mean, I don't like spice and I like spice.
Yeah. Alright. And
Yeah.
then we have some notorious reggae balls,
Pimento berries.
pimento seed.
Pimento seed or berries or whatever they
I
call
don't
them.
like them whole, so you know me love blend them out. or
Blend them
crush
up.
them.
Yes,
Yeah.
guys, when you blend out the season them, you have a better result. You know, it's soaking at the meat better.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So now we're gonna blend. Not sure. You gonna plug in it for me since?
You know, plug in.
No.
Right, you're not ready, man. All right, go and blend out the thing now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll blend it one more time.
So it's in our meat.
Chicken.
So the meat in the, you know what?
We're gonna throw the blended seasoning
Eh,
onto the chicken.
yeah.
I was, rubbing up some dry seasoning on it already, but I'm gonna need more.
Yes, people, she already added some seasoning earlier. I'm kind of caught her off guard, you know. So, yeah, that's going right now. We never planned to do a video for this, but so you know why not? You're in the kitchen already, let's do a video. You know?
Guys, the fumes that's coming off as blended herb is no joke. But trust me, you can't go wrong when you blend up your green seasoning,
So it's a brown stew chicken today.
Brown stew chicken.
Brown stew chicken with white rice and beans.
Yeah.
Alright. Not sound bad.
So I'm gonna add some slap your mama.
Slap your mama.
That became popular over the years, especially in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nobody salt the food now, you know.
Far from that.
Oh God.
I'm not salt day.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Prime time Lando. Big up yourself, you know. Shalom, shalom. Yes.
Big up prime time, Lando.
Yes, people. If you're into Jamaican videos, trucking videos, check him out. Prime time Lando. Click the link in the description of this video. Yes, big up yourself. Shalom, boss. Alright, so what we are doing now?
Now we have the notorious browning.
Browning.
Can't be brown stew chicken without your browning. Whether you make it from scratch or you buy it from a store.
So how do you normally make it from scratch?
By burning the brown sugar.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, man. Back in the days, that granny used to do, you know, me. Other grandparents, them and thing. We ancestors, yeah. Brown sugar, get it caramelized. Yes, drop in the meat tonight. Brown it up.
Yep.
Natural way, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And big up to all of my Jamaican people them out there, you know. Big up on yourself, near and far. Yeah, man. One love we see, you know.
Now I'm just fluffing up the rice. Cause nice and fluffy that is.
Listen, Shelly rice.
Shelly rice.
Yes, sir. Shelly rice. Them see, you know.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Don't add too much water. You know the water was just perfect.
That's perfect.
And this is basmati, so basmati cook
Quick and fast.
Yeah.
Nice and
Nice
flaky.
and
Shelly. Yeah, man. Watch that. Yes, guys, and trust me, if you don't have a Dutch pot, man, you don't need to get yourself a Dutch pot, you know, the real Jamaican way, you know. Yeah, so we're going to sort out the chicken now, you know, the big Dutch pot. Add some oil to it. and then make it go and work. Yeah, so she add in the oil, guys. Alright, now people, it's that time.
Okay.
Oh, you mean? You hear that? Yes, guys. So how long you cook that for now?
Depends on the heat. Maybe like a medium high heat, about what, 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes, okay.
Yeah.
Smell good already, you know, people. I tell you.
Till they become fall off the bone.
Yeah, man. Smell good. So what else you have planned to add to it? Anything else, or you just go?
I mean, when it's almost done, I might add a little sugar.
Okay,
Keep
okay.
it natural. Maybe no ketchup.
Okay.
If I have ketchup, then I'll just add some too.
Same way. I think we have some ketchup, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Not sure, but yeah. Whatever we have, we make it work.
Alright, I'm just gonna cover this down, make it go and simmer.
Alright. Simmer down. Make it go and simmer, people. You know. Alright, so what's this for now? What you do?
I'm just cutting up some little potatoes to add to the brown stew chicken eventually.
Okay.
Not too much, just a little bit.
Okay. So you're gonna add that now or later on down the line?
Later when the chicken.
Hold on, we have no carrot?
No.
No? Look at we have no carrot in our fridge.
Nope.
Nope? Alright.
Only cabbage.
Only
cabbage.
Hey, that probably would taste nice, but no, we're not we're not add no cabbage to it. No.
Yeah, it's not pop choice, sorry.
Brown stew chicken, pop suey, chop suey.
suey.
Brown stew chicken, chop suey. That probably nice. Yeah, but we're not do that to the people. Yes, people. So far it's looking good. Brown stew chicken in a man. Smell good.
Smell out like herbs, yeah?
I smell everything in it. Ginger, pepper, everything.
Yeah.
Everything smell nice, man.
I'll add some more water to it now.
Alright. Add in little water. What else you add in now? The potato them?
No,
Or not yet?
not yet. No.
Oh, like the last 5 minutes? Or 10 minutes or so?
Yes. So guys, we actually did a whole chicken.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a whole chicken that I chopped up
Yeah.
and brown stew.
Okay. Not bad. Alright, people, so we're just gonna put in some potato. Drop that in. You know, wifey already washed them and cleaned them up earlier, you know? You know, I think already. Mix it up a little bit. And we're gonna add in a little sugar same way. Not too much. So a little bit of sweetness in it. You know? And some ketchup, and make it go and simmer down for your next 5 minutes, and we should be good, guys. Just hold on a second, we get the ketchup. Hold on, we don't have ketchup. No, man, we have ketchup.
Where do the ketchup go?
No, me know we have ketchup. Hold on, guys. We have ketchup, guys.
Oh boy.
No, me know that we have ketchup.
Somebody lost the ketchup.
Come on. We don't have no ketchup.
No.
What the?
Come on. We have to improvise.
Alright, so we don't have no ketchup, guys. I thought we did, but
Yeah.
here we're going, you know. We're putting some hoisin sauce in it.
Yeah.
You know, a little sweetness. Kind of thicken it up a little bit. Add some flavor to it. You know? Know them way there? That's what I mean.
Here.
Yeah. Alright. Stir it up. And like I said earlier, we're just gonna let this simmer for about 5 more minutes, guys. And then we should be good. We'll try the gravy.
Does it have a kick to it? Like spicy?
Can't take more pepper. But we'll leave it the way it is, because I don't want to start ball later. And some spoil my food. So we'll leave it like this. 5 more minutes, guys. And then we're gonna make us see the finished product. We're gonna see what I go on. And then we're gonna go and enjoy the dinner. You know what I mean? Yeah man, keep watching, guys.
A vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, and me born fist style. Girl, a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile. Vegan lifestyle, out there, out there. Yeah. Keegan the hustler, me wake up early. Ambition strong, my goal them loud like a dancehall song. Money for the line, clients book all the private chef vibes. Me I do it my way. Camera roll.
Yeah, man. So she add some pinto beans, some chili beans to the rice. Yeah, man. That's not a traditional side when it comes to Jamaican dish, but you know, it has a nice flavor, so we decided to add it to the food same way. As me I say. Yeah, man. So this is it, guys. We have the brown stew chicken, white rice, some pintos bean. Some people don't like the beans, you know. Yeah, so we're not give them none today. Yes, see it there. That is it. Right now we're gonna test out the food, you know. I'm making this what go on. Yes, guys, the brown stew chicken, me I tell you, the wicked, the nice, me I tell you, people. Everything well balanced out, you know, well nice, well put together. Big up the chef, Chef Deandra. Yeah, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, make the people them so what go on.
Alright, guys.
How the food?
Good. Perfectly balanced.
Yeah.
The pinto beans complement the rice.
Oh yeah, sir.
And the chicken complement the pinto beans and
Yeah.
complement the rice.
I mean, make the chicken on
Everything
people.
just perfect.
People don't know, so I mean, make the chicken, that's right there.
You not really like brown stew chicken.
Yeah, man, I really like brown stew chicken like that, guys. Curry chicken, you know. Anything curry, me up on it. Curry fish,
Yep.
curry anything. Wanna get the picture? Yeah, man. But I still like brown stew chicken, you know. But not my favorite still. Yeah, man. But overall, guys, this dish is well put together, you know. Big up Chef Deandra at the building, you know. Wifey. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yes, people. So if you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes, more vlog, more crazy videos. Big up on yourself. One love Jamaica outside.